Let's get started. Hey friends, in this video, I'm covering that how I qualify my UGC NEET June 2025. Score you can check in the video attached further. So, there are two papers in UGC. If you, in each and every subject paper, there are two subjects. So, paper 1, which is common for all the aspirants, and paper 2 is the subject paper. So, let's discuss each and everything one by one. So, my subject was commerce with 08 core, and paper number 1, which is the general paper, which is common for all the aspirants across all over the India. So, paper number 1. For paper number 1, for further things, let's first I should disclose my percentile. So, I got a decent percentile. I am not saying कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा percentile आए, no. So, I got somewhere between 93 point something, 93.70 something around. So, you can 93 to 94 percentile I scored. And my preparation was decent, not so much good, not so big. For paper 1, I strictly refer KVS Madan. So, paper 1 is something new for me as well, because paper 2 is my subject paper, but for paper 1, I strictly follow whatever is given in the KVS Madan, whatever all 10 unit is all about. So what I strictly follow कि जो आगे जो initial pages पे दिया है with the description and questions, I proceed one by one, and जो back questions पे दिए है तो वो भी I used to solve each and every question, and I proceed one and another. So particularly if you talk to reasoning, I was somehow weak in reasoning. That is basically reasoning, maybe that was the part relating to fallacy and all. तो मेरा उस पे इतना as such command नहीं था, and rest everything I tried to cover to the extent I can. So around you may find कि back जो exercise question उस पर around 150 question per unit थे, and जो initial pages पे भी around इतने question थे. तो I think this question is enough for practice, and जो भी पढ़ रहे हो उसका with reasoning अगर आ रहा है तो you can easily connect the things. So paper 1 I just did that only. For paper 2, that is the subject paper. So we know कि paper 1 में around 50 question आते हैं, and each question will carry 2 marks. So paper 1 I particularly refer these things only. For paper 2, which is subject paper obviously, so I am altogether with UGC aspirant. I am a C aspirant too. So currently I am in a CA final. So for paper 2, I try to recollect each and everything whatever I have read in the previous year as well, since because it is obviously our subject paper, so I have somehow command on few topics which I was preparing for my CA journey as well, and for rest of the topic also I try to whatever I have read previously or whatever I am reading currently for my other examination. So few topics are common, and few some topics are new, and some are which I read very earlier at my career. So for paper 2, I strictly refer the Arihant, and I with the same strategy which I follow in KVS Madan. So I used to in paper 2 also there are 10 units. So for each and every unit I used to recall the concept, their explanation, then the initial exercises with explanations with as a beginner as a practice, and then I used to solve the back exercises which around you used to find that there are 150 questions in each unit we may say. So I try to recollect each and everything. I try to give some mocks as well from the Google. You can score your tag from there are so many things available at the Google itself. If you search UGC NET paper, so you can few free mocks. So I did that as well. So with that, and that's actually the resources that helped me to clear UGC NET June 2025. I fall in the qualified for assistant professor, not for junior research fellowship, but the next thing which I cover, that basically simply relates whatever I have tried to recall from my subject paper, from the resources. I try to recollect each and everything, and I have a decent preparation for the same. So hope that will be worthy for you. And so paper 1, paper 2, paper 1 strictly follow KVS Madan, because there are more questions are there which are with the UGC main concentration, and the similar questions you will find. And for paper 2, you can refer as previous subject, but for commerce aspirant, one can refer Arihant as well. If any further information, if you want me to elaborate, then you can pin a comment in the comment section, so I will try to collect the same. Alright.